Finally made it to fun spot. Mind blower station. Kissimmee. Kiss me. Kiss me, please. Kiss me. All right, let's go in. Let's redeem my pass and let's get on some rides. Mark being a little bit, he started his vlog off and he's going and we'll be both vlogging together. So let's have some fun. April's not right. I was able to actually redeem my season pass. Easy peasy. If the folks in front of me would have been taken care of faster, I would have probably been out 15 minutes ago, but that didn't happen. So we did get a second lady up and she got us going through. Mark's working on his right now. I'm gonna walk through. I'm gonna look at Galaxy Spin. I'm not riding that thing. Last time I was here, I think I spun like 19 times. That's way too many for this old guy. So we'll get some off-ride. We'll walk around the park a little bit, but we will be riding Mind Blower and Hurricane, I think is what we talked about. And then we're gonna probably head over to the Orlando Park and get White Lightning done and Freedom Flyer, and then get right back to SeaWorld. Gotta see Bow Wow, bro. 2 girls up there having a blast, having some fun, screaming and hollering. That's awesome. Oh, I did that at Del Mar Fair years ago. It was awesome. It was sweet. I want to say I did it in Vegas too. Good times. And I've done the one in Magic Mountain. Had fun with that one too. I don't have a problem with those. A lot of fun. They're usually actually really expensive. That's why I usually don't do them. But lately the stuff's come down. Looks like we have a car show maybe going on, or a little bit. It'd be cool if we get a car show. Mark says this is an S&S, so let me go ride this bad boy with him. No, April's like, I'm not riding that thing. So actually, she would have, if she would have had her pass, she would have done it. But it's me. Fun spot has failed me miserably. We are here in Kissimmee, as I said, the location here with the old town and everything else, and there is no GoPros allowed on their rides, they're saying. I was told to call corporate and they maybe could apply for a media pass, but that media link, you would have to apply for it, go through it, and put stuff in. So you're looking at like multiple days, and I don't have multiple days, I have multiple hours. So with that, I'm gonna go through and look at the cars and stuff. Probably ride Mind Blower just to ride it, but I am utterly disappointed in the fact that I am not gonna get no footage. Sad. off-road hurricane with his hands up like as if it was a victory lap. He's gonna be hurt. That's the truth. And he would have been. A lot of food here. Sorry for the noise. A lot of go-karts. This is the 2 go-kart tracks, multiple levels. They're slow, but they're fun. A lot of banging and stuff. But really cool food out here. I don't remember this New York burger place. That looks new to me. I thought it was a pizza place last time I was here. So they are upgrading that stuff. Games looks like they're being gotten a little bit of upgrade too back here. So cool. On to Mind Blower. Let's go. Blower, second row, right side. That's tough on your back. I won't lie. A little chiropractic action for that, but I wish they would just put all the RMC track on that thing. That would be amazing. Tremors 2.0. Yes. With an inversion, which would be sick. Dude, the one spot that goes gug gug. Yes. I don't know about you, but I hear my neck crack. So yeah. All right.
But this last section is very good.
With the RMC track, yeah. All right, off to the other one, because we got no POVs going today, so sad beaver for me. Sweet! We got the second fun spot today. Let's go. Surprised at this. I've seen it before. It's not looked this bad before, and it's kind of what a lot of people talk about here is how like run down things are, and it sucks because it looks really clean right now. Like I've been here when it looks dirty, and it looks clean. So kind of a shame for the pool, or not the pool, but the lake in the middle. Hopefully they rework it and get it clean. That'd be awesome. We're walking around. She's looking to get some drink. Mark is on Freedom Flyer right now. And I'm going to be going back over to ride White Lightning in a bit. I'd like something to drink too and kind of walk in the park. Sweet, popping on the go-karts. If we had time, I'd be hitting them, but maybe later tonight after SeaWorld. We're going to go back and get some night rides. Hopefully everything's back open. Hopefully lines are died down a little bit. Maybe not. Again, there's got a big show tonight. Bow Wow's in the house. Jackie from Ace is in the house with Craig. That's going to be fun if I can hook back up with them there at SeaWorld tonight. I got to go and find out if Manta is open because the people they're with has not gotten that ride credit. So I think they're trying to inquire that. Don't blame them. All right, rolling the backside of Fun Spot. Let's take a peek. As you can see, there's a lot of rides here for the kids. But again, be aware here, there's not ride attendants in every ride. So a lot of times I have to bounce. So be patient at Fun Spot. It's not like the big companies where they got a ride off at every single location or every ride. So let's check out the Dragon. it's not too shabby on the back. When you usually go up on the Dragon on the lift hill, you get that pop. Oh man, I've gotten my back to crack multiple times on that thing. No thanks. Good bumper cars. Let's go. Pump it. You'll notice between the two fun spots, the Orlando one has a smaller arcade for sure compared to the Kissimmee one, and the bathrooms are upstairs, as I'm going to right now. Let's go. Two fails. I really need to go in there. I've been a fun spot. I can't remember how many times now, and I've never gone in there. I need to make an concerted effort to actually go in there and say, "Oh, see me some gators." Ton of food options here. Super cool, like I said before, but just know that you come here, it's not just like a one-trick pony for food. There's got some good, like, you know, like carnival food. That's awesome. Great choices. Make that happen. Again, I am impressed with how clean the park is this visit, I should say. Again, last time I was here, it was not as clean, but it's nice today. Went to the bathroom clean, so as I see, let's head over to White Lightning, meet Mark, and let's get these rides in and pop back over to SeaWorld and make it happen. Looks like Mark is on the front row of the White Lightning right now. Go, go, go. That's the only problem with this. White Lightning, got the front row, had to wait for it, so a little bit of time, so we are a little bit of crunch for time right now, and so I think we're gonna head out. We're gonna go back to SeaWorld. Try to see if I can get my hat on, didn't fit that time. Anyways, let's go back to SeaWorld and go ride Mako. The whole reason I'm out here is to really get some POVs on Mako and SeaWorld, and I haven't got anything but Pipeline. Oh, I got Kraken too, that's right, Pipeline and Kraken. So, Mako, please be open. And please, the line not be that long. Handle 30 minutes because I'm old. But over that, I start to cry. Anyways, we'll be back. SeaWorld, there we go.